Welcome to Cockeyed and Curious. We recently went to the Thompson Wildlife Management Area in Virginia. We hope to see a large lake, a lot of wildlife, and quiet trails. We sort of got all of those things, just not quite how we intended them. The trails were quite overgrown, infrequently used, it seemed, at least many of them. The lake was quite small. It was mostly drained. They've been having some issues with being able to retain the reservoir. And the wildlife was sparse, though we did see some collections of birds here and there. Outside of the birds that we encountered, at one point we also heard some kind of woodland yeti or something. Actually, we just heard some strange echoing in our voice, so we decided to play around with it. Listen. Not only was the trail overgrown, but it was overgrown with lots of pollen. My nose was a runny mess for much of the hike.
There's a Turk walking down the trail. It's not actually a whole much of a trail. There's a lot of bushwhacking involved here.
A giant ahead of us had knocked down this tree. We never encountered the beast, though we did have to deal with its wreckage. Despite getting intimate with many plants, it was an enjoyable hike. Lots of good memories. Nice just to be outside, wandering. Not too bad. So smiling, some butterflies, some more smiling, and lots of burrs. No bears, but burrs. And also, just one murder shack, which wasn't a big deal.